In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change chart types on Tableau using parameter actions. This is a fantastic way to make your dashboards more interactive and user-friendly, giving your audience control over the visuals they're viewing. So, let's get started. First, open the Tableau public app, which is our working platform for this exercise. Make sure you're all set up and signed in. Once you have that ready, the next step is to access your worksheet where we'll be creating our charts. Familiarize yourself with the layout as you'll be navigating around it quite a bit. We'll now create two different types of charts. For this tutorial, a line chart and a bar chart are perfect choices. These two chart types will help illustrate how the parameter action works. With these charts created, we need to turn toward parameters. Create a new parameter, which is essential for toggling between the different chart types. Name it appropriately. Go ahead and select a string as the data type. This part is crucial as it defines the input you'll be working with. Then move on to select List and add your values, bar and line, to match the chart types you've created, then click OK. Once that's set up, we're going to create a calculated field. This calculated field will use the parameter to dynamically switch the chart type. Name your calculated field something clear, enter your query, and press OK. Now it's time to connect this parameter to our charts. Choose the first chart, let's say the line chart, and show the parameter. Select line for the chart type. Then drag your calculated field onto the filters card, select line, and confirm by clicking OK. Rinse and repeat for the bar chart. Show the parameter, select bar, and again drag the calculated field to the filters card. Double check that each chart type is properly linked to the parameter. Let's switch gears and create a dashboard. Add your chart sheets to it, and then create a new worksheet to serve as our icon display. Type AVG 0. Twice to set up your baseline. This step is necessary for dividing the space where your icons will go. Create two calculated fields, one for bar and another for line. Alter the mark type to shape and drag the calculated fields into their respective areas on the sheet. Assign icons for each chart type. This visual aspect is key in making it clear what chart type is currently selected. To refine your dashboard, consider formatting by clearing unnecessary lines and removing tooltips. Simplification goes a long way. Go to your dashboard and adjust the sheet's position to a floating one so it's easy to place wherever you find it most intuitive. Hide any fields that aren't needed and we can head over to Dashboard Actions. Add an action, select Change Parameter, and fill out the necessary fields. Name it, select your source sheet, and link it to your target parameter. Do this once for the line chart and again for the bar chart. And there you have it. Now, when you click on the icons, you'll see the visual representation switch between a line chart and a bar chart. This interactivity brings your Tableau dashboards to life and makes data exploration a breeze. Thank you for watching, and happy charting.